is where I'm from, this is where it started. This is what becomes of the broken-hearted. This is going out to those departed from a life so young it was barely started. This is going out to the
Aanii, Nishnaabemdaa, Noongo. This past week on the radio, we went over a lot of words and questions to do around being hungry and eating, which are words that you'll use every day. I know I use them with my daughter. So the first question that we went over was g-bakde. G-bakde. That means, are you hungry? G-bakde. And a couple ways that we gave responses for on the radio were, if you are hungry, say im-bakde. Im-bakde. That's, yeah, I'm hungry. And then if you're not hungry, you can say kaawiin im-bakdesii. Kaawiin im-bakdesii. No, I'm not hungry. And then we went over some questions to ask your child about if they've eaten yet or anything like that, about eating. So the first one was mshe n-gii-wiisin. Mshe n-gii-wiisin. Did you eat yet? So this time we put the mshe in the front, and then the na came right after it. Mshe n-gii-wiisin. Mshe n-gii-wiisin. It would be the same if you were to say gi-wiisin mshe. And like I mentioned before, in Nishnaabemdaa, you can flip your words around in your sentence, and they'll still mean the same thing. You'll still be understood. So, mshe n-gii-wiisin. Did you eat yet? And then if you want to respond to that, you can respond to it and say, aazha n-gii-wiisin. Aazha n-gii-wiisin. Yeah, I already ate. Alright, if you want to say you haven't eaten yet, you'll say mshe n-gii-wiisinisii. Mshe n-gii-wiisinisii. No, I haven't eaten yet. Mshe n-gii-wiisinisii. And I gave a few more questions on the radio as well. Aazha n-gii-wiisin. Aazha n-gii-wiisin. Did you eat already? It's just to mix it up a little bit if you don't want to just say gi-wiisin. Did you eat? You can add aazha n-gii-wiisin. Did you eat already? And another question that we went over on the radio was asking if somebody has eaten enough. If you want to ask, have you eaten enough? You can ask namnik n-gii-wiisin. Namnik n-gii-wiisin. Have you eaten enough? We also went over how to ask about a third person with these same questions. Instead of asking, did you eat already? We're going to be asking, did he or she, or did they eat already? So you can ask, aazha n-gii-wiisin. Aazha n-gii-wiisin. Did they eat already? You know, if you're curious, like your child comes back from babysitter, whatever, you want to know, did they eat already? And you can also use the mshe to ask a question along the same lines. Mshe n-gii-wiisin. Mshe n-gii-wiisin. Did he or she eat yet? Very similar to the aazha n question. Pretty much means the same thing. You can answer those questions about a third person, and we gave examples of that on the radio, and here's one way that you can respond. You can say, mshe gi-wiisinisii. Mshe gi-wiisinisii. No, they haven't eaten yet, whoever you're talking about. Or if they have eaten, you can say, aazha gi-wiisin. Aazha gi-wiisin. He or she already ate. Aazha, Mia.
This is where it started. This is what becomes of the broken-hearted. This is going out to those departed from a life so young.